Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab K11 Plus, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. And then let's open the settings. Here in this left section, we need to scroll all the way down to find About Tablet. And here let's simply tap on System Update. Now your device will check for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. So the first one is where your device is up to date and there's nothing to download, just like in my case. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.